Hello, my friends. In this lesson, we will carefully learn and thoroughly discover the correct and most effective way to display and access all of the videos you have previously watched on YouTube, without having to search for them again, which can often be time-consuming and inconvenient. Let's begin this helpful process together. So, before we move on to the explanation, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, liking and sharing this video with your friends and family. So simply open the YouTube app on your device just as you normally would and then tap on this spot right here to continue. After that, tap directly on this place labeled History on your screen. When you tap on the History section, you will be taken to a new page or area within the app. Here you will see a list that shows all the videos you have previously watched using this application. This list allows you to review your entire watch history, and you can scroll down to see even more videos that you have viewed in the past. As you can see in this area, there are also some filters that will appear for you. These filters are provided to help you sort or organize your watch history, making it easier to find specific videos or types of content you have watched before. These filters include those for long videos, short videos, and so on, making it easier for users to find the type of content they want to watch. Long videos usually refer to those that are 10 minutes or longer, while short videos are much shorter, often just a few minutes. For example, when you tap on the section for long videos, all the long videos will appear, helping you quickly browse through content that matches your preference. In the same way, you can easily apply this to all of the filters. So in this area, you can, for example, search by year, by day, or by month. For example, I will type in the year 2024, making sure to enter each number carefully, and then tap on this spot on the screen. At this point, all the videos that you have watched before, specifically during the year 2024, will appear here for you to see. This allows you to easily review or revisit any of the videos you have previously watched in that particular year. If you've made it to this point, don't forget to check out this playlist. The YouTube tutorial playlist contains important guides that you'll likely enjoy and find beneficial, as each guide is thoughtfully created to help you learn and grow. These resources are designed to support your understanding and make your learning experience more effective. Goodbye, my friends, and I wish you all the best on your learning journey.